Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On this video, I'm gonna show you how to write over an image in Google Docs. So if you guys inserted or added an image in your Google Docs and you want to type in at the top of this image or write over the image, so you can see if you type in, it will be either after the image or at the bottom of the image like this. But if you want to write over on the image right here, what you guys can do is click on the image first and then click on the image, and then here at the bottom choose the behind text options, and then after that click on this, and then you can write everything you want. So I'm going to just put this image. So I'm going to type in, hi guys, don't forget to subscribe. So just like that, you can write over an image right now. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the next following videos. Thank you.